In this video, I will show you how to hide notes on Instagram. Now, the very first step we're going to do is to tap on this button right here, the message button, and then click on this note right here. Now we can say hi right here, and I can just share it. However, it will be shared to my followers and followers whom I followed back. Now, in order for me to change it, or in order for me to hide my notes on Instagram, all I have to do is to click on this button right here, and I can add people to my close friends. Let's say right here. Now, if I hit done and hit share right here, only those people that I have added to my close friends will be able to see my notes on Instagram. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.